In this video, I am going to show you how to create the Pareto charts in Excel for categorical data. The Pareto chart is a type of bar charts that display categorical in ascending order of frequency while also showing the cumulative percentage line. This chart is useful for identifying the most significant factors in the data set. Let's get started. Let's assume this is our data set. We have two columns, cause of death and number of deaths. So to create the Pareto chart, first we have to highlight our entire data set, including both cause of death and number of deaths. So now let's create a Pareto chart. In order to do that, we go to the insert option. Then you can choose either histogram or the bar chart. I will choose the bar chart. You will see that we got then created the automatically from Excel our bar charts. We can change the format of this Pareto chart. I will change the title to as leading causes of death. So you can change the label or the data titles accordingly your preference. But I think for generally this look is okay to people to visualize is what really wanted to visualize the data. This is how we make the Pareto chart for the categorical data. Thank you.